Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we're going to do the unboxing of two products from FiiO. This is one of them is the BTR3. This is a Bluetooth headphone amp, and the other one is the FiiO A3 portable amplifier. This is not a DAC, just a headphone amplifier, high-res audio certified. Of course, both of them come in black, and this is going to be for my mobile device because usually I like to commute on the way to go, and sometimes I listen to a lot of music and also listen to Audible as well, and pretty much that's it. I started going to IAMs better because I think Bluetooth for me is kind of being a pain in the butt. I'm not talking about Bluetooth itself. I'm talking about the headphones that you get for Bluetooth. It's getting, for me, I'm thinking it's crap. The only Bluetooth headphones I would love to get if I go to the gym or or ride my bike, which basically I don't do that, riding my bike with my headphones on, which that is a very bad idea, and I would not recommend for you guys to do the same, because shit can happen and you need to be high alert. Enough of me getting off the topic. Let's open up these two bad boys right here. So I'm going to open up this one first. And also right here it has this logo. You can go on FiiO's website, making sure that you're not getting ripped off or you're not getting a phony aka bootleg product, which both of them you're not. I really the headphones I'm using as well, which sadly I did not do the unboxing because I've been a little bit busy, and plus I needed headphones. Oh, that's a little bit, oh crap, I need to clean this thing. My table's a little bit of a mess. I apologize for that, but let's open up this bad boy. Ah, come on, what, you piece of crap. Oh, I'm trying to open this. Shouldn't use my box cutter. Making my life easier if I use that. So inside, we get, it's inside the box. So of course, the BTR3 itself. Over here you got your mic, your power, your volume. I don't know what this is exactly. Your connector for your headphones, and also your USB-C to charge the device. Really good, high quality. Even the clip is made out of metal, so you can put this on your shirt. This is gonna be interesting. I'm liking this already because what the build quality of this. So let me see what's else over here. So it comes with more wonderful things. It comes with a USB Type-C to USB to charge your device. Also has this let's see, hold on, so let me identify. I don't want to take a guess, and again it's losing focus, this crappy camera. Oh yes, this is a little hold up, let's see what it is. Oh, this is something that you could put on your neck and hold your BTR3 as well. Nice, it comes with that. Comes with the safety guide and user guide as well. Pretty much that's it. That's all you got, the package. Put this to the side and then get ready to unbox the FiiO A3 portable amplifier right now. Okay, let's do this. Now this time I'm gonna make my life easier. Crap, I can. Oh, great, my ADHD moment that I cannot find where I put that freaking box on it. But anyway, I got it this time. So this is another one. Now, okay, price I would tell you on these for the BTR3 is going for $69.99. This one's going for $59.99. I got both of these in Amazon Prime. Okay, so let's open it up. I don't want to break this thing. Okay, hold up, okay, I see an opening. Okay, oh no, I'm breaking it. I'm just really trying to not break this. Hold up, there's got to be another way to open this without me even breaking it. Okay, there we go. Womp, womp, womp. Failed. I got it. Ooh, okay. Ooh, look how beautiful this small little amp is. Unfortunately, it's not a USB Type-C. It's a micro USB, so it kind of sucks, but that's what you get for $59.99. The amp itself, so let's open it up. Ooh, nice brushed aluminum finish. High-rise audio. So, of course, you got your low high gain switch. This also acts as a volume knob and also to turn on the amp itself. You want to have bass move on and off. At the back, you got your aux in, your headphone jack, and your micro USB to charge your device. And again, it is high-res certified. Pretty nice. And let's see what else it comes in this beautiful package. Let me set this to the side. So what do we get over here in this compartment? Let's see. Let's see what's behind door number 1. Of course, rubber bands that you can put on your phone. So pretty much you can sandwich your portable amp to this. This is a Note 8, by the way. As you see, you can sandwich together. That is nice. Also, what else it comes with? Comes with a USB to micro USB to charge your device. And what else? So basically, I'm kind of a little bit shocked. It doesn't come with the cables. Wow. I'm a little bit shocked. It doesn't come with the cables. Now, this is also, you could put sandwich between your phone and the portable amp. That way you don't have to scratch it. So very nice and dandy. But it's a little bit weird. It only comes with a micro USB and USB to power up. Oh, no, I knew it. So this is a short cable, 3.5 to 3.5. So you connect this, for example. You connect one of these to the aux in. Or, again, I did not use the user manual. I did not read how to work this or how to put this together yet. But if I had to guess, this is going to be, you're going to have to connect this to the aux in. And you connect this to your phone. And then you connect your headphones over here. If I got it right, that is also in my end. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. As always, any questions, comment, subscribe. Please be safe. And also, the headphones I'm using as well is the FiiO FH1. If I said that earlier, again, I want to remind you again what headphones I have. IEMs, not headphones, IEM. Get it right. So any questions, you already know what to do. Answer those questions down in the comment section. And please let me know how the video quality looks on this. I hopefully see I can kind of fix it, but I know I'm still going to have a little bit of problems. Pretty much I'm trying to use different type of lighting configurations in my room to light up the room a lot more better. Hopefully give you guys a better camera quality. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I am out. Peace. So later, review.